So this morning, I installed the LightBurn patch 2.0.03. Well, I knew before I installed it that I would lose my camera settings, so I prepared for it. So that's what we're going to talk about, is how to do that. It'll be a real quick video, but it'll be something hopefully that will help somebody out. Because the first time I installed a patch, I didn't know any better. I lost my camera settings and I had to rebuild the camera from scratch, which is really painful. So if you don't have a camera tab, go up to Window, down to Camera Console, put a check, you get your camera tab, and then you can go through the steps of setting up your camera. Now, once you have it all set and everything's working the way you like it, the first thing you need to do is export your settings. And you can get in your window, right click, click Export Camera Settings. Mine's grayed out because I've already done it here. So we have them here. Now, another fail-safe is that LightBurn allows you, with your license, to put LightBurn on 3 computers, which is good. So it did happen to me again after the first time. And I didn't have the backup. So I was able to go to another computer, export the settings, and then import them on this computer, which is good. So you want to right click, export, and then when it comes back up, if you don't have your settings, you can re-import them. If you don't have your window, go up to Window, check Camera Console, you'll get your tab back. Then you can right click and you can import camera settings right here. And now we want to restart LightBurn and the camera should come right back up. We'll see. Once you import, close LightBurn, reopen it, and then you get your camera back. There is my camera. It's working fine. I'm happy. Another thing you got to look out for is you will lose your libraries, your art libraries and your material library. They may come back on the restart. It looks like this one did. The art library, however, looked a little strange. Well, hopefully this was helpful to somebody. If you have questions, let me know. Glad to answer questions anytime. And please like and subscribe and share and comment. It's all appreciated. Check back often for new videos. You folks take care, and we'll see y'all next time. Thank you.